Welcome back, bogies. We're going to finish off battery box. Yep, as I said, going to finish off this. I thought I might try and get in the picture a little bit more. I think I'm not in the pictures very often. Anyway, yeah, clean that up. That's not too bad. It'll do. Make some little sections just go in here. Bish bash bosh, and then we can move on. Yeah, I hope everyone's like the race car project, track day car project. It's going to be good fun doing that one. I always like that sort of stuff. But anyway, this is Mark 1 for the Mark Working Restoration, so I won't go too much on about the stuff. And yeah, alright. Yeah, it's a bit not very nice, is it? But anyway, that's cool. Let's finish this off. Blah 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 blah. Let's stop blah mouthing. Alright, getting there with that. Yeah, it's not the prettiest, but that'll be fine. Stone chip under there. When people look under it, it'll look good. Obviously we'll drill another little hole later if we're really that bothered. Yeah, it's not the nicest, but as I said, battery's not going to fall out. And yes, I'll keep using my mask. I'll try and be honest. Oh well. Yeah, lovely. We won't concentrate on that area too much. Let's move away from that quickly. So that's all done. So yeah. What's next? Got lots to do. Got a little bit of repairing up here to do, which is actually going to be bigger than I thought. Got this section down here to repair and finish yet. We've got the other side to work on. Part of me thinks I'd rather just get on with the floor the other side, because we've been putting it off long enough, and if we can get the whole floor solid, then it's only the front end left to worry about. But yeah, a little bit cold getting to it, a little bit cold. So yeah, what do you think, guys? What should I do? Yeah, let me think. Just use my hole punch tool. Hey, that's good. So yeah, I just thought while I'm here, instead of rolling the car over, I've got a few more minutes left. We'll just start doing a little bit of this strip along here and see how we go. Alright, I'm just going to leave this bit because I'm not too sure 100% how far this strip comes up, if it did come over the sill anyway. Obviously these are pattern floors anyway, so you're not 100% sure. You know, I think maybe the heel board would have gone on the floor, and the floor would have actually gone, and the sill would have gone over the over the rear heel build. But anyway, I think we'll just finish it off like that anyway. It's not going to look too bad. We'll fold it over, weld it to the back of the heel board. We've got small holes to still fill at the top here. And yeah, and then some more repairs up here. Might as well get this side buttoned up while we remember, and then we can just forget about it. Yeah, so it's not the prettiest, as always. I keep saying that, don't I? It's not the prettiest, but it's solid. And stone chip and tiger seal will make things beautiful. So yeah, that's it. Going to be it for now. Keep cracking on. Let's really try and get this floor tacked in this week. I think that'd be a good milestone, wouldn't it? Hey, come on, camera. Down you go. Yeah. So yeah, burn my mouth on dinner tonight. What do we have? Well, chicken pie. But I had some leftover potato dauphinoise from the night before, and I microwaved them. And wife got cross because I didn't share them, and now I've burnt myself, so that's karma. Anyway, alright, let's crack on. We need to get this car done, don't we? We need to get this shell done. Be nice by the end of the month, but we're halfway through January already, aren't we? It's cold, look. Alright guys, have a good evening. Till next time. Don't let the bed bugs bite.